Hey everyone, I'm Trevor, and today we are at the Anaheim Hotel in the Disneyland area of Anaheim. We're going to be giving you a full review of the hotel, a tour of the grounds, a room tour. I'm going to tell you about our experience, so let's get going. And here we are, walking into the lobby. We've got looks like a lounge over here off to our left. You've got to find registration. It appears to be on the right here. And there's a bit of a line. Apparently you can do check-in as early as 10 o'clock. If you check in any earlier than that, they do have an early check-in fee. But we got our room already. And so we are going to go to our room right now. And I guess we're gonna be in this building right off to our left. It says to go this way for the block of rooms that we're staying at, but this is just a look at the grounds here of the hotel. 2 floors. And there are balconies and patio spaces for each of the rooms. The ground floor rooms are going to have patios, which are going to be larger, she explained at the desk. And then the second floor have balconies. That's really awesome, actually. Not many hotels in this area offer balconies and patios. Here's just a quick look at our room. We'll do a full room tour when we get back. We're going to the park right now. Wow. So first impressions, I'm very impressed with this hotel, and I can see why it is a very popular and favorite hotel among Disneyland guests. There's the entrance to the lobby, the door that we came out when we were going to our room, and immediately over here is the pool. And this looks like a pretty sizable pool. Maybe we'll try to go in there a little bit later on as well. Just giving you a quick glimpse as we're heading to the park. Ooh, and a fitness center and a laundry room here too. It's just a quick look at the machines they've got in there. You can see the laundry in the far room. They do have towels, so that's nice. Also right next to check-in, which is right over there, you can see the Harbor Marketplace. They've got the store. This looks really nice. Let's poke in. So we've got some backpacks, some toys, some games, some Disney merchandise, medicines and products that you might need if you forgot them at home. We do have some milk here, regular milk, chocolate milk, some yogurt. This is actually quite a large store. We've got some chips there in the center. We've got some Gatorade, some water, some sodas, even some beer over here off to the right. Then they also have ice cream. So if you're looking for a sweet snack on your way back, you can grab something here. Amy found the Orange Bird ears here, but they're half the price of Disney's.
Yeah. Well, there are Disney's, but I think because they don't make this one anymore, this is like
a discount?
Discount. It's $17. It's like,
maybe you should get it. Some other ear options in here. Now we're doing something we do in every single one of our hotel reviews here at Disneyland, and that is we're going to walk to the park. We're going to show you the walk and just how long it takes. One way that you could go is over there. I don't think we're going to make that light. It's already 10 seconds until it ends. So we're just going to go straight and head down to the main entrance. As I said, we're walking along this side of the road. That side is preferable if you can get over there first, but over here is going to be the Grand Legacy at the park. We've stayed at this hotel before, and you can check out that review on our channel if you'd like. We're going to go further down. The next light we're going to cross to the left. And we're having to run for it a little bit here. We made it to the traffic light that I mentioned, and if we turn immediately left from there, look at that. Disneyland Resort entrance sign. We're pretty much here. Next is going to be security right through those little pine tree bushes. And that was like a 4-minute walk. Now we didn't hit any traffic lights. We hit them all right. And here we are, the Esplanade. Got Disney California there off to the left. Disneyland off to the right after just 10 minutes of leaving the hotel. So within 10 minutes, we walked over here and went through security, and now we're going to Disneyland. We will continue our room tour and everything afterwards. It'll time travel to when we go back to the hotel.
6 hours later.
Now we're back at the hotel, having spent the morning in Disneyland. Gonna go back to our room, give you a full tour of that room. If I didn't say it earlier, we checked in at about 9 a.m. and they let us park our car here early, no problem. They do have parking at this hotel even if you are not staying here, I believe it's more expensive than for hotel guests. They've got parking inside the lot for hotel guests, and then the parking like out front of the hotel is, you know, what they have available for the regular day guests. And here is a look at our room. We have 2 queen beds in here. They've got this nice little chair for sitting, a dresser with a TV, a desk over here off to our left. It looks like with some coffee selections. Ooh, Wolfgang Puck coffee. That's pretty nice. Nice ice bucket there. And then there's the patio. Patio is larger than the balcony. Every room has a patio. Every room has a balcony. There is a look at the balcony on the second floor. Second floor obviously has the balconies. First floor has the patios. But, oh look, their name is like frosted on the glass here. How neat is that? And they have a nice little lounge chair out there. If it were sunny, it's not. If it were sunny, it would be nice for you to lounge out there. A little bistro table that you can enjoy. And over this way, we have a closet. So, nice little luggage rack there. Extra pillow and blanket. Looks like we've got a safe down there. Ooh, they have a hair dryer. Not many places I feel like provide hair dryers. Maybe they do. Iron and ironing board. And then let's go into the bathroom. The bathroom looks really small. Ooh. And automatically turns the fan on. Single switch for the lights and the fan. Here's just a quick glance through of the bathroom. Pretty standard shower here. But they do have a Hawaiian Tropic shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So pretty modest affair here for the actual room itself, but very clean and very spacious. I mean, look how much space there is in this room. First impressions laying down. Bed is a little stiff, but the pillow's nice and soft. I like nice and soft pillows. What do you think?
I don't know, I'm just cold still.
The air conditioner was on in here, and it's like 65 degrees outside. Needed the heater on. We put the heater on. Hopefully it warms up. We've left our room and have made our way back to the pool again. Just wanted to quickly look in there. But down this way is something else that we want you to notice. Back here is a lawn called the Green. And this is where we have some lawn games. We've got Connect 4 down there and big chess. The kids like to play chess. But we're not going to play chess right now because the last time we played lawn chess, it took 45 minutes. There's signs that says activities on the Green, 6 a.m. to sundown, cornhole, Connect 4, cup pong. And you have to rent some things for some of those games. Oh, we found this game in the lobby. This is fun. It's like landing airplane. You're playing air traffic controller. You gotta land all these ships and things. This is fun. Well, the kids went to the hot tub over there a little earlier, but I guess somewhere around here there's a sign that says you can see fireworks from here, I guess. There's a heater, so we just dragged these chairs over here under the heater, and we're gonna sit down and hopefully see some fireworks. In case you're curious, the pool's open till 10 o'clock. Oh, there we go. There's some fireworks. Hanging in there, Benjamin? Enjoying the fireworks? Who needs to sit there for 2 hours before fireworks when I can see them just fine from my hotel? Under a heater, Amy says. Yes, under a heater. Why do we need a heater in June? That's the better question. So I guess the one downside of being here for fireworks is that we couldn't see the grand finale. If they had a grand finale, we don't know that they had a grand finale. They usually have a grand finale. I feel like they did when we saw it a couple of weeks ago when we were actually there. But we waited around here for maybe 5-6 minutes after the last firework, and Nope, no grand finale. We're just not sure if they were too low, we couldn't hear them, or what, or if they just didn't do one. I don't know. But you know, we were just getting regular intermittent fireworks, and then all of a sudden, nothing. Well, we are leaving the hotel now. We put our bags with Bell Services, and now we're gonna go into the park for another day. And once we pick up our bags, we'll let you know about the whole process of everything staying here. We'll give you a final review before we end this video.
8 hours later.
Well, we just picked up our bags here at the hotel. Always happy that hotels have like Bell Services, so we don't have to leave our bags in our car. And it's the main reason why we have free parking at the parking garage. Could have gone over there, paid $20 for parking here, but I preferred to leave my bags at Bell Services because I got a lightsaber.
And you did not want that getting broken into and stolen.
No, I got a lightsaber, so you know, I have to treat it like a baby. But the hotel, I actually thought this was a really great hotel. Whenever I walk by it, it just kind of looks like, but
it's really nice in there.
it is really nice. The inside, the lobbies are awesome. The patios and balconies.
I know, if it had been warmer and stuff and you're here for a couple days, that patio would be really nice because you could come back in the afternoon and, you know, have a break, sit out on the patio.
Huge pool too. I mean, really large pool.
And really deep. I think it...
11 feet?
Yeah, 11 feet deep.
Yeah, James told me it was 11 feet deep. So that's really awesome that they have such a great pool and such just overall was really nice and clean and awesome looking. So I understand why people love this. This is a fantastic hotel. Still has paid parking and no free breakfast. So I think candy cane is still going to hold our hearts. We're going to have a hard time letting go of candy cane. But this is an awesome hotel. Don't let us dissuade you at all there. Love the Anaheim Hotel. Definitely would stay here again, hands down. You thinking the same?
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
I really enjoyed it.
Yep. Well, thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button for more Disneyland videos, eventually hotel videos. We only do this like once every 2 months. But we'll have more Disneyland area hotel videos in the future. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.